I have been experiencing the hair loss since 10 years. So after that, I have used minoxidil finasteride and went for the PRP sessions also. It worked for temporarily. After that, I did not work. So that's why I stopped everything. So after searching multiple clinics and getting to the social media, I came to know that successful cases are there from the Hairfree Hairgrow. So that's why I chose Hairfree Hairgrow. Hi everyone, I'm coming from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. I'm working as a software engineer at Bangalore. I have been experiencing the hair loss since 10 years. So after that, I have used minoxidil finasteride and went for the PRP sessions also. It worked for temporarily. After that, I did not work. So that's why I stopped everything. So as the time progresses, my hair thinning has gone very much, and I am thinking about other options like hair transplant. So after searching multiple clinics and getting to the social media, I came to know that successful cases are there from the Hairfree Hairgrow. So that's why I chose Hairfree Hairgrow, and I have gone to the numerous videos of the Hairfree Hairgrow. Then I decided that this clinic is good, and I chose it. And I spoke to the Pankaj sir and his team, so they resolved all my queries. Now nervousness is down, and I am feeling excited how the surgery will go, and I feel excited about my look will change after the surgery. As a part of the transplantation process, this is the first step, like hairline design. So that is done, and I'm happy with that. And now we'll go for the head shape. Then we'll start the process. I had my hair transplantation with Dr. Pankaj sir and his team. So initially I thought the surgery was very painful. So but after when his procedure is started, so they have given me local anesthesia. After that, I don't have any pain. Till now everything is fine now, and the grafts are implanted properly according to the designed hairline. The doctors and his team worked well, and they did the process very well. Until now I don't have any issues with the process. I will recommend Hairfree and Hairgrow, and I will come after my full result is there. Then you can see my results also. Thank you, Hairfree Hairgrow.